Hey, 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 Yonda Ye here. And I want you to know that in 5 years that I worked for a top time management company, the number one thing that I learned by working with them was taking time to have compassion and actively listen to yourself. Listen to the words that you use to describe yourself. Listen to how you're describing your interaction. Listen to yourself and how you're going to approach accomplishing your goals, accomplishing your dreams. I think that's important. And you have the power to accomplish what it is that you put your mind to and you focus on. I also learned by helping people accomplish their goals that you need to sharpen your saw and you need to take the necessary rest to recharge and synergize. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye. Love you.